Best free AI apps for creating long videos from text to videos. So at the number one, we have our InVideo AI video generator application. So it has a feature that is you have to enter your idea and the app will generate a complete video script, voiceover, media and text, ideal for social media and education or marketing content as well. So it acts also as a personal AI video editor with customizable elements, and it also has a providing a free version with core functionalities. So it's definitely a go for it. So another on our list is AI video generator. So as you can see at the top, or you can also try it other version. So this is the one with the AI video generator with features such as converting text into your animated videos, supports image to video and character animations, which is also user friendly interface, suitable for creators, marketers, educators as well as storytellers. So it also offers a free tier with essential features, so you can also try this for your own. Finally, last but not least, we have Filmora Video Editor, that is AI video editor and maker. So it currently has an AI powered video editing with features like text to video, AI autocut, AI voice cloning as well as text to speech. So which also supports dynamic or captions, various editing tools. It is also suitable for creating professional looking videos with ease. So since it's available for free, it's definitely a go-to app for you. You can also commit the payment version for the upgraded version of Filmora. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.